Prab.
Hi, Max.
I want to get into crypto trading, but I heard the market is going down. Do you think there's still any potential? I know you were doing it. Are you still in it?
Well, of course, the market is going down, but it doesn't mean that you cannot make money.
What do you mean?
Haven't you heard about the Binance?
Binance?
Yes, Binance. It is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. And yes, it allows you to make money even if the market is going down.
What? Really? Can you please teach me that?
Let's meet up and I'll show you everything.
Max, this will change your life. Binance let you to trade over 500 different cryptocurrencies.
What? Crazy.
Yeah, but you need to learn about the Binance Future. Look. Yes, it is one of my favorite features on Binance Futures. Imagine you started working at a bakery. Your manager gives you a task of making 100 donuts. Your manager speculates that you would not be able to finish it within your shift. But a coworker predicts you can make it. So they bet $50. If you make 100 donuts, your coworker will get the money. But if you fail, the manager will. So the manager is shorting the market and the coworker is longing the market.
Oh, okay. Is it the same with cryptocurrency on Binance?
Look, there is a feature to short the market. So you predict the price will go down. And right now, it is the best time to do so as the market is crashing. Once you log in, you go into futures, you go into coin M futures, hit perpetual. Now don't get scared. It is actually really simple. On the right hand side, you will see two buttons, green to long and red to short. Ignore the buy long button for now. Let's focus on short. Change the perpetual margin mode to isolate it to reduce the risk, as you won't lose more than 100% of your trade. As a beginner, I recommend to set your leverage to 1x. Anything above 30x, it's pure gambling. Select TPSL. It will allow you to take profit and stop loss. Let's say you enter $37,000 into take profit. The app will automatically sell your position for you when the price drops to 37,000 to take profit. And let's say you set stop loss to 39,000. So when the price goes up, the app will automatically sell your position to prevent you from losing everything. It's a good risk management tool.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting the app now.
You know, on my channel, I make investing really simple. You should check it out.
Yeah, I definitely will.
Now you understand that money can be made anytime, even if the market is crashing down. I really want to help you to get the financial freedom. My channel is full of the valuable videos, so check it out. I'll see you on Monday.